Are you tired of dealing with persistent diaper smells or repelling issues with your cloth stash? Choosing the right detergent is the difference between a happy baby and a laundry nightmare. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 detergents for in this time, from mineral-based powders to heavy-duty treatments, to keep your diapers absorbent and your baby's skin safe. Product number 1, Esembly Laundry Washing Powder. The Esembly Laundry Washing Powder is widely regarded as the gold standard for cloth diapering. This HE mineral-based formula is specifically patented to tackle the unique challenge of diaper waste while remaining gentle on household laundry. Being fragrance-free and EWG verified, it provides peace of mind for parents worried about skin sensitivities or harsh chemical residues. What sets Esembly apart is its ability to rinse clean, preventing the dreaded detergent buildup that can cause diapers to repel liquid or smell over time. It effectively breaks down organic solids without the use of SLS, phosphates, or petroleum-based ingredients. Because it is highly concentrated, a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice for families running multiple wash cycles a week. It's a powerhouse for maintaining the integrity of cloth fibers while ensuring a pharmaceutical-grade clean. Product number 2, RLR Natural Laundry Detergent Powder. When your cloth diapers begin to lose their absorbency or develop a persistent, stinky smell, RLR Natural Laundry Detergent Powder is the ultimate rescue treatment. While labeled as a detergent, it functions brilliantly as a laundry treatment that strips away mineral deposits, urine salts, and leftover detergent trapped in the fabric. It is non-toxic, fragrance-free, and exceptionally powerful at whitening and brightening. For cloth diaper users, RLR is essential for maintenance. It refreshes the fabric, pulling out the grime that standard soaps leave behind, which is also why it's a favorite for workout clothes and musty towels. It contains no dyes or perfumes, making it safe for the most sensitive baby skin. Using this periodically ensures your diaper stash remains as absorbent as the day you bought it, effectively extending the lifespan of your investment. Product number 3, Unicorn Fibre Rinse. Cloth diapering often involves natural fibers like hemp, cotton, and bamboo, which can become stiff over time. Unicorn Fibre Rinse offers a specialized anti-static conditioning solution that is safe for cloth diapers and baby clothing. Unlike traditional fabric softeners that use waxes to coat fibers, which would ruin a diaper's absorbency, Unicorn focuses on fiber health and static reduction without compromising performance. It is particularly effective for heirloom quality knits, wool covers, and synthetic blends. The formula is designed to be low sudsing and eco-friendly, ensuring it works well in both standard and HE machines. For parents who use wool diaper covers, this rinse is a must-have for maintaining the softness and elasticity of the wool. It's a sophisticated, gentle treatment that keeps your baby's most delicate garments and diapers feeling plush and comfortable against their skin. Product number 4, Arm & Hammer Baby Hypoallergenic Liquid. For parents who prefer a liquid format from a trusted household name, Arm & Hammer Baby is a top-tier choice. This hypoallergenic detergent is specifically formulated to be tough on stains but gentle on baby. With enough liquid for 77 loads, it offers incredible value for the volume. It is free from dyes and is dermatologist tested, ensuring it won't irritate a newborn's delicate skin barrier. While many baby detergents are too weak to handle the heavy soil levels of cloth diapers, Arm & Hammer leverages the natural cleaning power of baking soda to neutralize odors effectively. It rinses away cleanly, which is the most important factor in preventing diaper rash caused by soap residue. If you are looking for a reliable, easy-to-find, and budget-friendly liquid option that can handle both the baby's onesies and their cloth diaper inserts, this is a very strong contender. Product number 5, RLR Natural Laundry Detergent Powder, Concentrated Treatment. As we look deeper into the RLR Natural Laundry Detergent Powder, its role as a deep cleaning specialist becomes even clearer. This is not your average daily soap. It is a concentrated burst of mineral-removing power. If you live in an area with hard water, the minerals in your pipes can settle into cloth diapers, causing them to become stiff and less effective. RLR attaches to these minerals and flushes them away. Its non-toxic and biodegradable formula makes it a favorite for eco-conscious parents. Beyond diapers, it's a miracle worker for refreshing gym gear that has a permanent funk or towels that have lost their fluffiness. Because it contains no phosphates or harsh fragrances, it leaves clothes smelling like, well, nothing. And in the world of cloth diapering, no smell is the ultimate sign of a successful